1, 2, 3, go!
Ito yung tinakpan mo, ito yung camera.
What's up guys? Today is another vlog day!
Galing kaming work. Kakatapos namin mag-work. Same shift kami. And meron kaming announcement.
I'm gonna work full-time with this bee.
So, ang announcement namin po is this girl right here just got promoted in the accounting department and she's gonna be working with me full-time.
Siya magte-train sa akin kasi siya ang master accountant. Master accountant. Yes!
So, yeah, I'm gonna train her and I know na kayang-kaya niya yung job dahil magaling po siya.
No.
So, kakatapos namin mag-work, imimit namin yung aming mga girls in 2 hours. It's 4 p.m. right now. 6 p.m. kakain kami sa Big Chicken Town.
Our favorite.
That's our favorite Korean restaurant.
And deep fried chicken na iba-ibang flavors.
Yeah, yun ang specialty nila. Talagang fried chicken lang na iba-ibang flavors and yung iba tumatambay doon for chicken and soju.
So today we're gonna unbox something na in-order namin. Custom shirt for us.
Yeah. So nakuha namin siya 2 days ago, yung shirt. So umorder lang kami tig-isa para ma-make sure namin na okay sa amin yung size and okay yung quality. And yeah, titignan namin. It's from
graphix.republic!
So gusto namin mag-thank you and guys, bago lang na nagsisimula sila pero I believe na super ganda ng quality ng products nila para kasing natatanaw-tanaw ko na siya dito. So check out their Instagram. I'm gonna put the link down below and papakita namin sa inyo.
graphix.republic sa IG.
Yeah, please. And sa ano lang sila, sa busy pa lang sila for now, nagda-deliver. But pag lumaki na sila, syempre, kahit saan na yan.
Itong packaging nito is parang special to dahil sa order namin.
Yeah, so ganito, pinaganda talaga nila yung packaging for us. And yung freebie namin is padating na. Meron daw kaming freebie from them.
Yes.
Which is, ika-customize nila. Yeah, ika-customize nila na sa YouTube channel. So, ito na, 2 shirts. And this is mine. So, ito na yung t-shirt. Anong size natin? Ang size namin is large ng pambata. So, 3, 2, 1! Okay, so size-wise, anong masasabi mo?
Size-wise, I think it's good.
I think it's good. Medyo malapad siya. I usually wear t-shirt na masigip sa akin. But, I think gusto ko naman siya. Yung amoy. Amoy bago. Amoy siyang normal bagong t-shirt.
And if you remember, meron kaming YouTube shirt dati, di ba, na print niya lang sa bahay niya. And yun, isang gamitan lang talaga siya. Like, pag na-wash na, sira na.
So, ginawa ko yun talagang ginawa ko siya, murang mga materials lang, but para lang masuot namin ng isang vlog. And after masira nun, sabi ko talaga parang papagawa kami ng shirt namin dalawa na para tumatagal. And nung pinagawa ko to, nagpakita ako ng picture ng t-shirt. And sabi ko, sana magaya nyo yung gusto kong style. And ito tama, kuhang-kuha ng Graphic.republic. Yung
Graphix.republic.
Yung style na gusto ko. So, I wanna sukat it. Can we sukat it? So, we're gonna sukat it in 3, 2, 1! Tada!
Yes! Ang ganda!
Ang ganda po niya. Ang masasabi ko lang siguro next time is orderin ko yung medyo maliit pa kasi ito large ng pambata. Pero I think talagang super duper small ang bagay sa akin.
Kasi maliit po ang daling kinita ng katawan niya.
Maliit po ako. And also, yung size ng print, papalitan ko next time. So, guys, papakita namin kayo ng first time ever montage by the Bishis. Let's go in 3, 2, 1!
I do it for the love, yes I I do. So you don't care about the money? Well, yes, it's true. And I'm so blessed to be fulfilling my destiny. All material things could mean less to me. Only thing I ever could need is a Sarah B sample with a dope ass beat and get the mic check.
That's it guys! So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button para updated kayo sa weekly videos namin. Sana na-enjoy nyo ang aming unboxing netong YouTube t-shirt namin. And thank you again!
Graphix Republic!